Nay. Happy birthday sa'yo, Nay. Grabe. Parang kailan lang, no? Pinamasahe ko yung flawless na nilikuran. So ngayon, pag-graduate na tayo sa servisyo. Wala akong ibang po pwedeng ma-wish sa'yo, kundi magandang kalusugan. And mapanatili ang pagiging Diyos. Claim na natin yung pagiging Diyos na yun, Inay. Okay naman na tayo. Di ba? Madalas naman natin pag-usapan yun na we are more than fine and okay. So, let's just keep it to that. And maging masaya lang lagi. As in, masaya lang lagi. And I know that you are. Kaya, gusto ko mag-travel tayo na mag-travel na kanto. Kaya, I'll see you soon. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Ma'am Baggy. Parang kailan lang magkasama tayo dyan sa Cagayan de Oro. Nakakamiss yung dating samahan, yung Manalakyu, Buko Juice, at yung inumang purong tawanan. I love you, Ma'am. I miss you. Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Happy birthday.
Oh!
Happy birthday, Mom Jones! Stay pretty and sexy! Congratulations on your well-deserved retirement! With this Brigadier General Jumaira B. Estrada, Ma'am Bawasi!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Baggy, and happy retirement as well. Maraming salamat sa barkadahan, sa kasiyahan, at sa samahan, Ma'am. Lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang po kami, yung mga bata mo. And thank you very much for keeping me always as your number one. Enjoy your day, Ma'am.
Hi, Ma'am Jumaira, or secretly tinatawag kong Mami Baggy. Happy birthday and congratulations on your retirement. Today is a double celebration of a life well-lived and a career well-served. Maraming salamat sa iyong mahusay na pamumuno at dedikadong paglilingkod. Naway maging masaya, mapayapa at puno ng biyaya ang inyong pagretiro. Naway mapuno rin ng pagpapala at makabuluhang sandali ang iyong mga sumusunod na taon kasama ang iyong family at mga mahal sa buhay. So, happy birthday, Ma'am, and enjoy your days. Love you, Ma'am!
Baggy, una sa lahat, happy birthday and congratulations sa iyong retirement. Sa wakas, dumating din ang pinakahintay mo. Normally, mixed emotions yan, but it must be the sweetest accomplishment you could imagine. I wish you good luck, good health, and may God bless you always. And now, after 30 years, 1 month, and 25 days of faithful police service, and upon reaching your retirement day, it's now time to retire your badge. Congratulations!